next guests were fed up and frustrated with barrettes that just didn't work.
The 2018 Black Enterprise Teen Entrepreneur of the Year, Gabby from GaBBY.
She is the president and CEO of GaBBY.
It's a game changer for the hair industry.
For a 12-year-old, you got a lot going on your plate.
Her persistence in telling me what her dream was pushed me into business.
I may be young, but I've heard no a lot. I've heard little nose, big nose, short nose, tall nose, all types of nose. No. But I want you to remember this. No is just an abbreviation for next opportunity.
To see me from 7 years old, shy and timid, and for me to be able to go to this 11-year-old, look from the 7 to the 12-year-old and the years in between, to see my confidence growing is pretty cool.
Her business is inspiring her classmates.
When she does share, I can see them thinking, well, I could do that too. That could be me.
Your dream may be hard to achieve. I know mine has been. If you want to be successful, you can't stop working hard.